Now the bottom bearings, or the top bearing, is dealt with. The bottom bearing is the hard side. Remove the screws for the bearing retainer. Remove the bearing retainer. There's the worst bearing right here. 4 screws holding the top cover. This might twist off if you're lucky. The first time opening this, I needed to use a mallet and tap around to get it loose. But then I put some paste wax on it to make it easier to remove in the future if necessary. Now you have to remove the shaft. You will want a leather glove or some glove like this, and a socket put off on an impact wrench, inch and an eighth socket on an impact wrench, and you hold with 2 hands while someone else removes that chuck. I took this over to a local mechanic, and he zipped it off for me real quick because I don't have a impact wrench. So in this case, just for demonstration, inch and an eighth, and I will be able to do it just with my bare hand. It's loose. The chuck may stay stuck in the bearing. Set that aside. To remove that, I've got a 3/4 inch socket that I'm going to place in here. And to add some length, this handle will add some length here, so I'm going to slide that through that socket and get some length. And now I'll just tap it, but I'm going to tap it on the floor. The bearing came out with the chuck. This bearing got fried. Make sure there's no remnants, whether the seal that's dead or whatever. Tap. Go back to this 1/2 inch socket and tap that out. Tap the chuck out of the bearing. Chuck's out. This bearing is just trash. Well, you get the picture.